Every year, huge refineries and projects in the fields of oil, gas, and petrochemicals are put into operation in the world. One of the most important pillars of launching such projects is pressure equipment, the design and construction of which is prepared in a codified and numerous stages. Managing the construction of pressure equipment, in addition to the need for related skills and technical knowledge, requires the possession of efficient and up-to-date tools that can be used to achieve the best results in the shortest possible time. But such projects are always accompanied by constant changes at different stages, and it is necessary to have a powerful tool with the ability to manage changes in the shortest possible time. A tool that can manage the process of designing, procurement, preparing shop fabrication drawings, making and preparing cutting plans, and documenting operations. An agile solution to the business revolution. The question is, what is this powerful tool and how does it work? We offer you PVManage software, which is designed with 30 years of knowledge and experience and accompanies you from the stage of reviewing the mechanical data sheets of equipment manufacturing to loading and transporting the product. Using this software, you can define and manage the oil, gas, and petrochemical equipment in the form of a project without any limit on the number of pressurized equipment. You can easily group your equipment depending on the nature of the work or to your favorite order and distribute their ingredients in the reporting category and pay for their construction costs, order and distribute their materials in a reporting category, and calculate their manufacturing costs along with raw materials costs and waste costs. In PVManage software, you can manage tasks individually or in groups. Accordingly, managing users under supervision along with determining the role of how to access their activity and preparing a performance report is one of the features of the software. Using the software, you can document the history of all changes and save it for your financial claims against owners. Entering information in the software will be very simple and fast, and you can easily connect your design files in PV Elite to this software to automatically enter information. It can prepare more than 200 types of reports and materials purchased for a project experimentally to related equipment. You can also prepare one-dimensional and two-dimensional cutting plans and extract fabrication drawings in separate parts in the shortest possible time. You will be able to easily prepare a part list of materials and related tables required for fabrication drawings in accordance with the basics of design and raw material orders, and quickly create them without having to recontrol them. One of the most important features of this software is estimating the cost of raw materials along with wages and also the cost of waste materials, which enables you to easily meet the cost of equipment at any point along with the project path and have instant financial control over your project. This software does not require a hardware lock, and its initial installation is free. Therefore, there is no need for initial investment, and the cost of working with it is calculated based on the pay-as-you-go method. You can download and install the software now from the path below and experience a free trial project with it. Welcome change with the help of aging management and enjoy managing your time and money. PVManage software has come a long way and will be with you by providing an agile and efficient solution to making deep changes in your business management practices.